Vbirds, that's who we are.
Vbirds, you have been found guilty of refusing to play in the energy-producing pop farms of Planet V. You will be taken away from your families and entombed within a dance machine. You will be sent to the planet Earth to perform for the amusement of human beings for the rest of your unnatural lives.
Sister, wow, out of status, here we go now. Planet V, sisters on a mission, where we from? Boom, tell it like it is, drop the bomb. Swing, that's me with a shot of style. When I'm on the road, just my sisters out wild. Those full of fashion, fashion full of bling. From the head to the nails, to the matching earring. Wow, lay back, relax to the bone. Got a problem, need advice, you can call her on the phone. Boom, bling, bling, wow, that's how we do. This is how the Vbirds spell it for you.
Be fresh for the new we are. Be beautiful and not left out. Intelligent and in control. Robots, human and soul. Dangerous for all to see. Special like you and me. We are the Vbirds. Come on and dance with me, dance for me, do what we do. Come on and dance with me, dance for me, do what we do. Come on and dance with me, dance for me, do what we do.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 2,
while you can, Vbirds, for you will never escape your dance machine prison.